Hollyland's experience in wireless microphone technology truly shines here. By integrating the Lark A1 audio system, the Lyra produces 48 kHz, 24-bit audio that sounds remarkably rich and natural. My voice came through clear and resonant, with a warmth that's normally reserved for external microphones. Even subtle tones, like a soft laugh or the texture of speech, were preserved. For online meetings, it gives your voice presence and clarity. For live streams, it's professional-grade broadcast sound without extra gear or setup. The f1.8 aperture is a game-changer. It gives a shallow depth of field that gently blurs the background, isolating the speaker with the kind of soft focus you'd expect from a DSLR lens. During meetings, it added a subtle cinematic quality, giving my video feed a warm, professional touch that software-based blur effects simply can't match. And when it comes to staying in focus, phase detection autofocus makes all the difference. Traditional webcams often hunt for focus, creating distracting flickers when you move, but not the Lyra. It locks on instantly and smoothly, following movements naturally.